friends, today let us see another medicinal plant which is highly recommended for arthritis, which is called balloon vine or Mudakattan Kirai in Tamil. It greatly helps in reducing the inflammation and pain due to the flavonols and phenols present in it. It also has antioxidant and analgesic properties. Watch the video and give your valuable comments. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon for further notification of upcoming videos. Thank you. Before I start with my video, I convey my sincere gratitude to my Guru, Sri Nityananda Paramashivam, who is the embodiment of Paramashiva himself. The materials for grinding. First, we have taken a cup of idli rice, a teaspoon of jeera, a teaspoon of pepper, small piece of ginger, few coconut and one red chili. Coconut is an optional. I use coconut, and as per our taste, we use the salt. Now, what we do, we take a vessel, place the idli rice on it, pour the water, soak it minimum 15 to 20 minutes. So to the rice, so we have added all these items, rice, jeera, pepper and red chili, and let this get soaked for 20 minutes minimum. Let us go and pluck a herb from our garden which is called Mudakattan Kirai. In botanical name it is called Cardiospermum helicacabum. So here we are just going to pluck only the leaves, fresh from my own garden itself. It is very easy to grow. It is just grown through the seeds and it is a climber. So you just need a pot and it can be easily grown. So you can see, as I cut only, I can see the fresh smell of the leaf, which is really tasty and it is highly medicinal. If you need, you can still go and check from your Google the usefulness of this medicinal herb, which is called Mudakattan Kirai in Tamil. And once again I say the botanical name is Cardiospermum helicacabum. See the fresh leaves which have been taken. Just wash nicely. 3 minutes of soaking of the rice. We're just going to strain it. Pour into a mixie jar. Now add the washed leaves. You can either cut or you can just, because since we are grinding, I am not going to cut. And then add the ginger and coconut. Once again I say coconut is optional. I want to give the coconut taste, so I am just adding coconut. And then we are adding the salt as per our taste. Here I am just adding 1 tablespoon of salt. So to this we are just going to add the water. Grinding. Now we have grinded. See, we have grinded and it is slightly coarsey. Actually I am grinding in a way it is slightly coarsey because to give the crispiness. Yes, so now we transfer into a bowl. Now I have kept the dosa tawa and it is an iron dosa tawa, you can see. Yes, and it has got hot now. I am going to pour it. I am adding little bit of coconut oil. Coconut oil gives more taste to the dosa. It is optional. We will even use whatever oil we prefer. Yes, now you see, just turn it off. Yes, the dosa is cooked now. You can see. Transfer it to the plate. Go for the second dosa. It's really so crispy dosa we eat. And see, dosa is green color also. And just once again apply oil on all the sides. Allow it to cook. Flip it off. Now we are transferring into the plate. And for this we can take as a side dish. Now I am actually interested in adding jaggery powder because it is so tasty. And you can use either coconut chutney or the sambar or tomato chutney. It is your option. So see, hot green dosa is ready. Please try it. If you like it, comment on below and subscribe to it. Thank you.